Hey, how's it going? Let's do a quick 3-minute breakdown of price action today on NQ. We'll take a quick look at the VIX, the Fear Greed Index, and where I expect price action to head tomorrow, April 11th. First things first, looking at Wednesday's price action. One of the trading strategies that I like using is the 15-minute opening range. Regardless of the news that we get from Trump regarding the 90-day tariff pause, the 15-minute opening range actually played out near perfect. We had that break at 1 o'clock, wick retest at 1:15. Trump came out, announced the 90-day tariff pause, and we just exploded off of that. Not giving all the credit to the 15-minute opening range. It did line up with a pretty crucial tweet from Trump and the White House, but something to look out for regardless of the current economic situation, current market situation. And even looking at today's price action, right? We draw out the 15-minute opening range. We had a pretty clean break of this to the downside, which brought us all the way down to that 7% circuit breaker. We did not maintain price action below the 7% mark for longer than a minute, so the circuit breaker did not trigger. We got bought up out of that rather rapidly, and then we had a beautiful close today over that equilibrium. Excuse me. So looking at Wednesday's equilibrium and Thursday's price action, I'm going to go back up to the hourly time frame. We had a beautiful, beautiful bounce as well as a sweep below the equilibrium. Taking a look at the VIX, with the VIX elevated to 60, and we're still sitting at 40. 60 rejected off of 60, currently down to 40. Taking a look at the August 5th flash crash from the carry trade issue, even bringing it back to COVID. 2018, 2015, every crash that we've had, every market situation, market pullback that we've had, anytime the VIX gets elevated this high, typically stays up there for a week, and then we have a rapid retracement back down to where it should be within the $15 to $20 range. For price action tomorrow, I expect to see a pretty nice continuation up to that news high. I'm going to call it a news high, that tweet from Trump, 468. We respected equilibrium from Wednesday, and then going to the 24-hour time frame, let's draw our equilibrium from Thursday. We also printed an inside bar today from Wednesday's price action. Get our gone box out here, put in that 50% range. So long as we open or respect the 447.41 level on Qs, I'm not entirely sure what that is on the NASDAQ or NQ, as I don't have the chart pulled up at the moment. As long as we respect that level, I expect to have a bullish bias into tomorrow, accordingly with where the VIX is at 40. However, if we stay below Thursday's equilibrium into tomorrow, I will have a bearish bias all the way back down to at least 437, maybe a little bit lower. Fear greed is still reading extreme fear, so assets are being sold off for less than what they're worth. Obviously, this isn't the same market crash that we're used to. All of them are different, but just my thoughts on price action heading into April 11th. Thank you. Have a good one.